Today we're going to look and see how do we prepare our Zebra printer for encoding RFID labels. It's important to do these steps each time you change a new roll of media to make sure that it encodes correctly. We're using the ZT620 as an example today, but the same menu structure and the same instructions will work with a ZT411, ZT231, and a ZT600. So the first thing that's important to do whenever you put on a new roll of RFID media is that we want to manually calibrate the labels and the ribbon. I'm not going to show you that now, but you can find instructions for calibrating media for many types of printers on our EMP Tech Group YouTube channel. So step one is to calibrate the ribbon and media. Step two is we're going to change a setting in the printer, and it's very important. We're going to go to Menu, to Settings, down to Head Close Action. Right now it says Head Close Action is Calibrate. And as you know, whenever you're going to open and close the print head, it will pop out a few labels as it's trying to calibrate where this gap is each time. Well, now we don't want that to happen. We want to change that instead from Calibrate to Feed. So what's going to happen now when you open and close the print head is it's just going to go to the next label, and we can go ahead and give that a try. And as you can see, it didn't try to calibrate, it just stopped at the next label. That's what it means to feed. So step one was do the media and ribbon calibration. Step two was to change the head close action to feed. And then finally, we're going to go to our RFID menu. We're going to click RFID, RFID calibrate, and start. So the printer reels back in a couple of labels, and right now you can hear the stepper motor just little by little checking each part of the antenna, which is a part of your RFID label. This is going to take 1 to 2 minutes. All right, as you can see, we're finished up. I think that took about 3 minutes to do, so it takes a little bit of patience, but it is automatic and it is done. And it says RFID calibration complete. If you get the green check mark, you should be ready to print your RFID labels. Thanks for watching. This has been another video from EMP Tech Group.